Hello, student. Good afternoon. How are you today? Are you feeling well? Very good. I hope you are always well. Okay, our subject for today is science. Please take your science book and open page 74. Our lesson for today is about force and motion. Forces and motion. First, we need to know what does the meaning of forces and what does the meaning of motion. Look here. Forces and motion. Forces and motion. Very good. Now we understand what does the meaning of forces and motion. Okay. Open page 76. Page 76. Let's read together the effects of forces acting on object. Objects. Last time I told you what does the meaning of object means things. Objects, the same things. Objects can move or stop moving when a force acts on them. Again, objects can move or stop moving when a force acts on them. For example, kicking a football. He is kicking a football. The football will move in the same direction as the force acting on it. Do you know what does the meaning of direction? Look here. Very good. I read again. The football will move in the same direction as the force acting on it. It means, for example, force acting on the football in this direction, so football will move in this direction. Okay, very good. Look here. Tick the pictures showing object moving. In this part we need to check which picture objects are moving and in which picture object don't moving. For example, picture number 1. This car are moving or not? They are moving. Yes, they are moving. So we write tick for picture number 1. Picture number 2, orange juice, is moving or not? No, it's not moving. So we cross for picture number 2. Number 3, this ball is moving or not? Is moving. Very good. Number 4, is moving or not? This object is moving or not? Very good. Yes, is moving. Number 5, this book is moving or not? No, it's not moving. Very good. And number 6, is moving or not? Very good. That's great. Yes, is moving. Okay, go to the next page, page 77. When a force acts on an object, it can change its motion. Again, when a force acts on an object, please remember what does the meaning of force. When a force acts on an object, it can change its motion. And remember what does the meaning of motion. Very good. The object's movement is controlled by the force acting on it. I can ask this question in your final test. The object's movement is controlled by the blank acting on it. You have to select force for this question. Very good. Come to the page 79. Page 79. This page is very important page. Let's read together. We learn that pushing or pulling object can change their motion. What does the meaning of pushing or pulling? It's very important. Please look here. Pushing or pulling. Very good. So let's read again. Pushing or pulling objects can change their motion. Can you understand? We learned that all words pushing, pulling and motion, so we can understand what does the meaning of this sentence. Very good. Objects at rest can start moving. What does the meaning of object at rest? Object at rest means object that don't move. Object that don't move can start moving. That objects can start moving. Or moving objects can move faster, slower, change direction, or stop moving. So we learn that objects at rest or objects that don't move can start moving with pushing or pulling. And moving object can move faster or can move slower or can change direction or can stop moving. We talked about that next time. In online class, I will explain for you about start moving, move faster, slower, change direction, or stop moving. Okay, but here we have a very important sentence. A force is a push or pull that can change the motion of an object. Again, I can ask you this question. A blank is, you need to select force as your answer. A force is a push or pull that can change the motion of an object. Okay, and unit of force is Newton. Very important. The unit of force is Newton. Very good. Let's talk about pull force and push force. What is the pull force and what is the push force? Pull force is a force that makes an object to move toward the person putting the force. What does the meaning of toward? Look here. Very good. Read again. Pull force is a force that makes an object to move toward the person putting the force. Example for pull force: playing tug of war. They are pulling. Yes, they are pulling. And next example, pulling a cart. She or he, I don't know, I think she is pulling the cart. Yes. Why? Because pull force is a force that makes an object to move toward the person putting the force. And push force. A push force is a force that makes an object to move away from the person putting the force. Example, playing badminton, hitting a birdie. Read again. Do you know what does the meaning of away? Look here. Very good. Okay, so we understand what does the meaning of push force. Push force is a force that makes an object to move away from the person putting the force. I told you example of push force is playing badminton or pushing a cart. Pushing a cart. Okay guys, that's all for today. Please stay at home and take care of yourself. Until next time. Bye bye.